Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we'll teach you how to swap mouse buttons in Windows. Now, this is very helpful, especially to those who are left-handed users. So let's get started. Once you're logged into your PC or laptop, click the Start menu and on the search bar type mouse. So this is the result. Click on Mouse Settings. A window will open. This is the mouse settings. As you can see, it says here, select your primary button. So my primary button is left. Now, what I'm going to do is to change this to right. To change, simply click on it and click on right. Now, the mouse buttons are now in the opposite order from this point on. So, if I try to left click on this one, it's not gonna work. But if I try to right click on the mouse, it actually functions as the left click button. I'm just going to make my primary button left, so I'm going to select this and right click on the mouse. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.